What if we told you that your favorite snack can be not only delicious but also healthy? Today, we're taking you to a factory where true masterpieces of healthy nutrition are made, natural nutrition bars. You'll see how simple ingredients, nuts, dried fruits, grains, are transformed into a powerful source of energy. We'll show you every step of the production process, from selecting raw materials to packaging the final product. Ready to go behind the scenes and find out how these small but mighty energy sources are made? Let's go. The production of nutritional protein bars involves several key steps in a controlled manufacturing process to create delicious bars that are packed with essential nutrients and benefits, which help to charge the body for the whole day, are essential for the body. Protein is needed by our body to build, maintain and repair muscles. Our hair, skin and nails are also made of protein. Amino acids contained in proteins help our brain function. Consumers purchase protein bars for a variety of purposes, including as a convenient snack, post-workout fuel or meal replacement. High-quality ingredients are added to the mixer, which typically include protein sources, for example, whey protein, plant protein, carbohydrates, for example, oats, rice, fats, for example, nuts, seeds, sweeteners, and flavors. Precise quantities of each ingredient are measured and weighed according to the recipe to ensure a smooth, even consistency. The resulting homogeneous mixture is placed in an extruder, where on the production line, machines give a certain shape to this thick consistency, thickness, width, length. Rolling it out with special rollers and then cutting it into the desired bar shape. The next step is baking using special equipment, using heat to bind the ingredients of the formed bar. Additionally, to add flavor and texture, protein bars are coated with chocolate, yogurt or other coating. The final step is to package the protein bars individually in foil or other packaging materials to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Labels include nutritional information, ingredient lists, brand names and expiration dates. Pastry macaron are a sophisticated treat and require care and precision to produce. Let us introduce you to the Unifiller machine that transforms raw materials into this delicious delicacy. This innovative machine is the heart of macaron production. That's why it is at the peak of technological progress. The machine ensures precise dosing of the ingredients needed to create the perfect dough. Temperature and speed control ensures every batch is equally delicious. This machine allows you to create pasta of various shapes and sizes, from classic silk to fancy shapes, satisfying the needs of even the most demanding gourmets. The revolutionary Kassbohrer 9000 combine is a specialized piece of equipment designed for harvesting sugarcane. It has high productivity and efficiency in work, providing fast and high-quality harvesting. The Kassbohrer 9000 combine has a 420 horsepower 1600 revolutions per minute FPT Cursor 11 intelligent engine with fuel-efficient smart cruise system, providing high performance and reliable operation even in difficult conditions, which makes it more efficient to process large volumes of sugar crops cane. The height of cut of the Kassbohrer 9000 combine can be adjusted according to the requirements of the field and crop. Cutting tools, including special knives and cutters, optimally cut and remove cane shoot leaves. separating from impurities and other garbage collected from sugarcane, resulting in a cleaner crop. The Osthoff 9000 series is equipped with variable hydraulic flow coupled with automatic control that adjusts the harvesting functions according to the operating conditions, ensuring precise and optimal harvesting. Subsequently, by loading the harvested cane onto trailers or other vehicles for further processing. Ergonomic cab with convenient transmission control and electronic steering with KCAFS AccuGuide joystick, which allows you to optionally install a GPS navigation system and AFS Pro 700 monitoring with information display, ensuring operator comfort and safety. The Osthoff 9000 harvester is designed with the revolutionary demands and characteristics of sugarcane harvesting in mind, making it the perfect choice for sugarcane growers. Revolutionary high-quality agricultural sprayer Horschlieb 8.300 pints, designed for efficient and precise application of fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides to agricultural crops. It is a self-propelled sprayer packed with advanced technology and features that make it a versatile and reliable machine for farmers. The Horschlieb 8.300 pints is equipped with a 6.7-liter 6-cylinder FPT engine delivering 310 horsepower, and spray tank up to 8,300 liters of liquid. This allows farmers to cover a large area without the need for constant refueling. The tank is also made from high-quality materials for durability and resistance to chemical corrosion. The machine is equipped with precision spray technology, including a modern boom system. The boom is adjustable and can extend up to 36 meters, which allows you to effectively spray large areas. It also features individual nozzle control, allowing farmers to adjust the spray pattern and droplet size to suit specific crops and field conditions. Another notable feature of the Horschlieb 8.300 pints is the advanced navigation and control system. It features GPS guidance technology that provides accurate positioning and automatic section control, minimizing overlap and ensuring accurate chemical application. The machine also features an intuitive control interface that allows operators to easily control and adjust spray settings. The revolutionary terminator among combine harvesters is the KC Axial Flow 9240, a high-performance machine designed to harvest crops with minimal losses and maximum efficiency. The KC Axial Flow 9240 is equipped with the latest innovations and cutting-edge technologies, as well as a host of smart features such as autopilot and GPS to ensure accuracy and maximum efficiency. 80 factory presets and 10 user presets that can be transferred to other machines, making it an ideal choice for large agricultural enterprises. The harvester is equipped with a powerful revolutionary Power Plus engine with a volume of 15.9 liters and a power of 625 horsepower, and is equipped with a continuously variable transmission. An innovative Macaron header that provides high speed and is able to harvest large volumes of crops in a short time. The KC Axial Flow 9240 is equipped with a cleaning system consisting of an active chute, 6.31 square meters giant sieves and a powerful fan that effectively removes contaminants and improves the quality and purity of the harvested grain. The operator's cabin is comfortable with an intuitive control panel, which facilitates the work process and reduces operator fatigue. The capacious hopper allows you to harvest large quantities of wheat, corn, beans and more without the need for frequent emptying. Powerful and versatile mulcher machine PRINOTH Raptor 500, designed for caring for vegetation and clearing areas. It is equipped with a powerful mulching cutter M700, which effectively crushes trees, shrubs and other vegetation into fine mulch. The Raptor 500 self-propelled mulcher has a powerful and economical Cummins L9 engine producing 440 horsepower, a durable chassis and 730mm wide tracks creating low ground pressure of 360 grams/cm2, which allow it to easily maneuver on the most difficult terrain. For the most difficult tasks such as complex uprooting, removal of vegetation near pipelines and on power lines, laying fire breaks, land reclamation, making it ideal for forestry, construction and agriculture. High ground clearance and low center of gravity weighing 19 tons provide stability and traction on uneven surfaces. The Raptor 500 mulching head delivers exceptional cutting performance. Featuring hardened steel teeth that effectively shred large trees and tough vegetation, it offers adjustable cutting height and replaceable teeth to suit different mulching requirements. It features a comfortable and ergonomic operator's cab, with excellent visibility, controls and safety features to ensure operator comfort and productivity. The PRINOTH Raptor 500 mulcher is renowned for its efficiency and effectiveness in shredding vegetation, making it a valuable tool for land management and vegetation control. Revolutionary remote-controlled machine Robo Evo produced by the famous Italian company Energies. This versatile, modern machine has gained wide popularity due to its ability to perform multiple tasks with precision and efficiency. Robo Evo is highly customizable, allowing users to equip it with up to 23 different attachments such as plowing, cultivating, planting, mulching, clearing, sweeping and more, making it suitable for a wide range of agricultural and urban applications. These attachments can be easily replaced, allowing the machine to adapt to different tasks without the need for an additional vehicle. Robo Evo machines are available in 4 versions: Robo Mini 23 horsepower, Robo Evo 40 horsepower, Robo Midi 60 horsepower, Robo Max 75 horsepower. The machines are equipped with reliable Yanmar diesel engines and a remote control system that allows operators to control them from a safe distance. Thanks to remote control, the machine penetrates into places where other machines cannot even get close. Unlike self-propelled vehicles with a driver, thanks to a lower center of gravity and track capability, Robo Evo machines operate on slopes up to 50 degrees. This feature ensures user safety and ensures precise maneuverability in the most difficult emergency situations. With a powerful motor and rugged design, Robo Evo boasts impressive capabilities in areas such as landscaping, agriculture, forestry, mining and construction. It can be equipped with attachments such as a mower, flail mower, mulcher, snowblower, hedge trimmer, tree shears and many others. This versatility makes it an invaluable asset in industries where efficiency, flexibility and productivity are paramount. In addition to high performance, the Italian company Energies has given priority to user comfort and convenience. Equipping the ergonomically designed remote control and intuitive interface makes operating the Robo Evo machine simple. A wide range of attachments combined with a rugged design make it an indispensable tool in a variety of industries. An assistant and reliable partner. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.